If you're looking to not break the bank on accessorizing your next vehicle right here at Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia, we've got the fix for it right here. It's our Covert Edition. You take a Laramie, a Lariat, a King Ranch, a Platinum, a Limited, whatever package you want that's got all your needs taken care of. You slap a level kit on it, and we can tell you and help you with the differences between the hockey puck style level kit or an actual coilover kit. But you just do a level kit and a tire swap, you're money. I mean, it sets you off as far as the right stance, more capability, a little bit more height as well. And I really do love the way this turned out with the King Ranch white platinum over stone gray. 295 60/20 on the Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's a 34-inch tire. It's 11.8 inches wide, so it's got a good overall height and width. No scrubbing. We put wheel well liners in the rear just to clean that rear up for you. Just sparkling out here in the sun, looking great. It's our Covert. Currently available. I'll put the link in the description below. We just want to bring you guys cool trucks, giving you insight and information to potentially build your next truck so you can see. You know, I grew up always wanting to know what size tire is that, what level kit's on there, what is the setup, you know, and people just weren't willing to put much information out. So we try here to inform you guys, that way whether you do it from us or somewhere else, that you're getting quality information to build it exactly how you want, because that's what it's all about. If you're gonna spend that money, let's get it to be perfect.